Did you know how to create a grid model using XYZ survey data in Trimble Marine Construction software? In this video, I am going to demonstrate how easy this process is. Once in the TMC Software Control Center and within the applicable project, we will navigate to the Grid Model Editor on the top banner. In the Grid Model Editor, navigate to File on the top banner and select New. Once a new Grid Model Editor is open, you will have various options to create grid model data. To add XYZ data, which is ASCII data, we will select Other Data Formats. We will then select Data Selection, followed by Add ASCII Data on the window that opens up. You will then be prompted to select your data. It is important to note, all machine guidance Z values are in elevation mode, so this may be an important consideration when importing your data. We will then select Next and move to the ASCII Import Wizard. Select Use Wizard Settings. There is an option to save the import configuration you customized. Following this option, select Next. Since our data is space-separated, we will choose Delimited as our data type and select Next again. We will then choose the space bubble, and notice our XYZ columns have become delimited. Next, we will assign easting, northing, and height to the appropriate columns. To do this, right-click on the three dots above each column and select the appropriate definer for each. This data is in easting, northing, height format, which is often typical for marine work. After assigning the column coordinates, you have the option to skip headers if needed. In this instance, we do not have headers, so we can select Finish. Next, the z-scale will remain as 1, and coordinate type will remain as grid. We do not want to assign date and time to this data, so we will uncheck this box and select Finish. Following suit on the left side banner, we next have the option to add a clipping polygon to clip data if needed. There is no clipping polygon in this instance, so we will skip this step. Moving along, we will define our grid model type as generic and set our cell size. We have chosen a 1-foot cell size. Feel free to increase or decrease this cell size as needed for project specifications and software performance. Next, select the cell data attributes. In this dataset, only average data is warranted, so we will deselect Z standard deviation. Next, select Create, choose a name for the grid model file, and select Save. After a few seconds, the XYZ data will import. By default, the data will not be interpolated. If you do not see your data, use the Zoom Extents tab on the top toolbar and/or change the color table. Next, let's interpolate our data. Select Interpolate on the left toolbar. We have the options to select our data type and clipping polygon. For this demonstration, we will use Z-average and no clipping polygon. Moving down the toolbar, we will choose the direction and maximum gap for interpolation. In this instance, a circular interpolation with a maximum gap as 5 feet will be used. Once the data is interpolated, you may want to remove sun illumination. To do this or change other coverage settings, select the coverage settings on the top toolbar. Next, disable the sun illumination by deselecting the checkbox. Select Apply and OK to save the settings. Congratulations on successfully creating a grid model with XYZ data in TMC. Feel free to reach out to your local Trimble Marine partner for further information on TMC and Trimble Marine.